tune in for this division. Where are all my Pinoys at? Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause for Rockwell!
Guys, shout out to my team, Rumble PH, na nag-hard work, man. Sobrang nilaban namin to. Grabe, pangarap lang dito ng mga bata. And then, gusto din namin sila samahan. So, grabe. Thank you, supporta mga parents, our mentor, DJ Luño, brother, and the OGs of Rockwell. And then, sa lahat na sumusuporta sa Rockwell ng lahat nandito. Mga kababayan natin Pinoy, maraming salamat po.
One more thing, Alex. If you want to give some advice out there for some young guys that want to carry on dancing, is there something that you would like to say to them to encourage them?
Siguro, every time you go to an event, just always operate from the place of love, so that you can connect to other people and then meet some great people and talented, human beings. Thank you so much, and yeah, I think that's the key para magkaintindihan tayong lahat. Okay? Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Rockwell!